Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is a dwarf plum tree called Ontario. Great cropper. Grows roughly at the most 1.5 meters high, smothered in white flowers in spring and lots of delicious fruit. Now, we're going to plant it up in the pot, and then you can plant it out in open ground as well if you want. So it's going to grow about that high there and laden with fruit every autumn. We filled the pot here. It's around, thereabouts 45-50 centimetres across, around the same deep. And we're planting the plum tree in swell compost. We're going to feed it regularly with some sure bloom to make sure we get lots and lots of fruit on this one. It'll take it a couple of years to settle down to fruiting properly. We may get a few the first year. Wouldn't expect miracles. Just loosen the roots out a little bit, and we'll get them settled in here just the same depth in the next pot. Swell compost, an excellent compost. It contains 12 months slow release fertilizer and all the major and minor nutrients you need, and we have a wetting agent in there as well to make sure that it doesn't dry out too much in the summer, and it'll hold a bit more water. So it's as simple as that. We wait for lots and lots of fruit now, a little bit of light pruning now and again. Anything that comes under the graft union, this is where the plant is grafted here, different rootstocks, so anything that grows here we'll take away and try and encourage it to weep down a little bit like that. That way we're going to have more flowers and more fruit. Give it a light pruning in around June time just to shape it up slightly, but apart from that it needs very little care, a bit of feeding regularly with sure bloom to make sure we get lots of flowers and lots of fruit. Show you that label again. So that's Plum Ontario. It's of course smothered in white flowers and lots of golden plums in autumn. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.